Hey guys, I'm back. Today I'm recording a video. It's kind of like a vlog, but kind of like we're baking cookies. So, right. Yeah. This is Drew. She's our neighbor, but sadly she's moving soon. Okay, so those are the sugar cookies? Okay.
There's another ball right here.
Mama, don't burn the cookies, so make sure the temperature is on the right
We
side.
did 375 for 8 minutes.
Okay.
Yeah, so we're not gonna fall asleep. There's somebody on watching.
Yeah, my mom has a tendency to burn cookies.
Let's just.
Yeah, so how do you usually do it? Okay, so you usually do it like that.
And we have to be careful to see if they really cut in all the way to the wax paper.
I'll hold it down for you.
And then we take all this extra dough and make it into more stuff.
Very good.
What?
Very good.
It's like trash, and then you just reuse it.
Recycle the leftovers.
This is just in very narrow corners. So we got that one.
Beautiful. Beautiful.
Mwah.
Beautiful.
Take them apart.
How you like that, Bina?
Those look good. I can't wait to eat those.
Booyah.
Those are so nice.
Wait, just
Drew, you
re-film
did
it.
that, Drew.
Film it after we do the rest of them, because she already explained what she was doing. So wait until you do the rest of them, and then you film the before they go into the oven. Come on, baby, you gonna take the cookies out?
What I wanted to tell you guys is that it's almost my Christmas break. And so...
She's filming you.
Beautiful. We're gonna put the cookies in the oven. I wanted to talk to you guys about my life right now. Right now, I have 2 more finals left before my Christmas break. And then I'll be able to upload a lot more videos. I know I've been MIA. I'm always MIA. There's nothing new to that. But as you can see, I have no septum. And you see I have red right here because I'm stressed out from school. And I don't sleep because I have to study all day.
Guys, these are the cookies out the oven. Now we have to decorate them.
All right, so you guys, we're decorating. Make sure you don't get my bottom legs, Mama, because they're hairy. So we're decorating, and turns out we did try to use the baggy tech. Mama, what are you doing?
I got you.
Don't hold it like that. Hold it straight.
Okay.
So turns out the baggy technique did not work because the baggy technique did not work because our bags are way too thin. So we just have to use a spoon, and it won't look all cute and stuff. But this is what we got. I can't wait to eat them. I'm gonna decorate my Christmas tree. Mama, where the sprinkles at? Okay. I'm gonna keep that in the video too, with your leg like that.
I didn't even put it in there.
How do we open it? These are the cookies. Show me your cookies. Awesome. I love them. Beautiful. We have some plain ones because I don't like sprinkles. These are just some of the cookies that we did. My phone is about to die. But we have to do a taste test.
Come on over.
Okay. I'm gonna taste this cookie. This cookie has, I made this cookie. It has like little sprinkles on it, and I really don't like sprinkles, but today we're gonna try it. It looks so good though.
Take a shower, but look.
I like to smell my food before I eat it. Mm.
Do the other one. Make it with some water.
Wow, it's so good.
Here you go.
Mama, it tastes like a butter cookie.
Hopefully they're not too strong.
It's nice and buttery. I like this with some strawberry icing on it. It tastes like a butter cookie.
Y'all the water. You gotta drink enough water with that.
And dip it in some milk.
Go sit down and relax, or you want to take a shower?